Okay, today we are going to be solving with special cases. So we're going to go through our checklist. We did this at the beginning of the year. And we are going to start by drawing a line down our equal sign here. So draw a line down an equal sign. We're going to go through the checklist, so make sure that you're looking at that for every step. So the first one says, can we distribute on the left? Are there parentheses on the left side? There are. So we're going to click yes here, and I'm going to distribute. Maybe, remember, we're multiplying. -2 times 3 is -6, and make sure we keep the z on there. I'm going to put a little line through my z so I don't get confused. And then we're going to do -2 times 12, and I get -24. Bring down my equal sign. Can I distribute on the right? Is there parentheses on the right? Yes, there are. So we're going to click yes. And I'm going to put a 1 here. And -1 times 6z is -6z. -1 times +8 is -8. And bring down the -16. All right, we are done with step 1. Step 2 says, can I combine like terms on the left? So this 6z right here and this 24, can I combine those? No, because they both don't have z. So we are not going to combine those. And then I look on the right side, is there anything I can combine? And there is. Because these both don't have z, we can combine them. So we're going to click yes here. I'm going to add -8 plus -16. Make sure you're always adding. Sorry, let me get that. -8 plus -16, and I get -24. So I'm going to bring down that -24 and rewrite everything else. Equals the -6z here and -24. All right, next step says, is there a variable on the right side? If so, I want to add or subtract. There is a variable on the right side. It's this 6z, so I'm going to add 6z here. And you can we're going to zero that out. If you do it on one side, make sure you do it on the other, plus 6z. And I like to draw my line to keep everything nice and organized here. Probably should have drawn my line on everything. So from there, we're going to figure out what we have left. On the right-hand side, that zeroed out, I have -24. I'm going to bring down my equal sign. I have this -24. And then this one also is just 0. So it just kind of goes away. You can put a 0 if you want, but it's nothing. So because our z's are gone, we can't add or subtract our constant. We're just going to leave it that. We're going to stop right there. And we're going to ask ourselves, does -24, because that's really the only thing left on this side, equal -24? Yes, right? Those are equal numbers. We're going to say yes. Because they're equal, this is all real solutions. What that means is that x can be anything, or z in this case, right? Z, if you put a 0 in there, it's going to be equal. If you're going to put a 5 in there, it could be equal. So x could be any number. So my answer is all real solutions.